guys, welcome back. We are going to show you our new toiletry bag and the things that we pack in it.
Yeah, we're gearing up for our cruise on the beautiful Carnival Breeze, September 9th. We're super excited.
Yeah, we got about 25 days until our cruise, so it's time to start packing.
For us anyway.
Yeah, we like to pack pretty early. And so we're just going to kind of go over the stuff that we do pack and we do bring. There is some stuff on board that you can use, but it's a lot better to bring your own stuff. So Sarah got this new bag, and she wants to kind of go over and show you all the cool stuff it can stuff in it.
Yeah.
And keep going. So.
Yeah. So normally on board they have pumps for just basic shampoo and basic body wash. This time we are actually on spa level, so we will be getting a few extra toiletries provided from the spa. So we're super excited. We'll show you all of that upon our return. We're excited to experience the spa level. We've never done that before, a spa balcony. So we'll get started over here with the quips we mentioned in our cruise gear video. These are our travel tiny electric toothbrushes. Battery powered?
Yes.
Triple?
Yeah, they use one AAA battery each.
So we each have one of those. And then 2 little things of toothpaste. The Quip actually came with one. And then I have a Sensodyne because I have some sensitive teeth.
So the other things that I like to bring, of course, deodorant. I got some conditioner and shampoo kind of all in one because I'm not really a huge fan of the pump stuff. And I have some beard oil for my beautiful beard here.
You'll see a lot of Aveda. I'm actually an Aveda hairstylist, so it just comes with the territory.
And then some hair like pomade for when I do decide to do my hair.
Formal night.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm going to transition into my hair products. With my color, I do a color conserving shampoo and conditioner. Don't really depend on the one that comes on board. I have some styling products. Dry shampoo is a must on a cruise, just because you're out getting gritty on deck. A texture shampoo. It's kind of a beach texture, so that's also awesome for when you get back from an excursion and you just kind of want to do a little beachy wave. Perfect. A little thickening tonic. It was a sample, so I just kind of throw it in here. Hairspray, of course. I think I might need a new one before we go. And some mousse, just for some extra volume for formal night and whenever I decide to actually wash and style my hair. Moving on into my face products. We get these little travel things and fill it up. We have big face washes, so I don't want to carry all that. So I have a basic face wash that we both use.
And you can get these little bottles usually at like Target or Dollar Tree or Dollar General. You'll see that they have like little travel bottles, so we make little labels and tape them to the bottle. So
yeah, this is just a toner. It's great for after the sun. It kind of refreshes. This is an oil control lotion because, like I said, you're up on deck doing everything or nothing. And this is a little calm concentrate, also good for after the sun. Little energizing eye cream when you've been hitting the bars hard on board. It's okay. Nice to wake up and refresh.
But this time we got the sauna in the steam room and all that other stuff to show, revitalize after a night of drinking. So. And
then just a basic everyday face moisturizer. So we're transitioning into some powder for, excursion days. It gets a little humid in some spots. It's good to kind of prep with that and carry that with you. My deodorant. I have a couple different lotions. Just basic lotion, maybe after sun as well. I have a foot relief. You do quite a bit of walking on board, especially if you make a pact at the beginning to take the stairs as often as possible, which we've done in the past, and calves and feet were killing. So that's it's peppermint, so it's real cooling and relaxing. And then baby oil, also good for after sun, after shaving. Hopefully not in the sun, you don't want to do that, but
wear sunscreen.
Yes. And then we both use this body wash when he's not 3-in-1ing over there. He likes to borrow mine. And then never forget my razor. I actually bought a second one just to keep in here. I hate having to pack this and forget something the morning of because I had to use it that morning. So I just like to keep an extra one just for travel in there. And not exactly a toiletry, but sometimes a necessity for us. It's been traveling with us quite a while now, is our Carnival bingo dauber. It's toiletry size, and we tend to never forget it if it goes in our toiletry bag. So that's great. We sometimes take
Dawn.
Yeah, I was gonna say we take our cups.
Oh, yeah.
And pour different tropical beverages in the cups. And if you want to wake up the next morning and have water, you do not want to smell what that cup smells like the next morning when it's had a Mai Tai in it. So we take some Dawn. We also have occasionally washed some clothes or washed our bathing suits with a little bit. Nothing crazy. We love taking on our antibacterial moist wipes. I carry these in my little ID pouch on board. It's just good. We've gotten sick on vacation before. We do not want to repeat that by any means. No. So having those handy is always great. Those are from the Dollar Tree. There's hand sanitizer on board everywhere, but you still kind of have to touch it, I think, at some point.
Yeah, it's got a sensor that dispenses it.
So it's just better to just have your own whenever you need it and just give yourself a nice hand wipe. And then, don't really want to talk about this, but it's a great travel hack, I'd say, are these Cottonelle pretty much adult wipes. Because, you're doing a lot of eating on board. So
yeah, just make sure you get like the septic safe and stuff like that. And usually you can get like these resealable packs pretty cheap on Amazon. I think I bought like a 24 pack or a 12 pack or something like that, and it was like $7. So way cheaper. One of those packs are like $5 at Target. So you save quite a bit of money. Will we use them all before they technically expire?
This is like the second, maybe the third to last one, so we're going through them.
Yeah, so we use them at the house here, and then of course we take them on travel because there's just so many of them.
Yeah, so it's just great. They come in handy when you need a hand. We also always travel with our little hanging pharmacy, we call it. So we will have a video, if you'd like, on what we pack in here, down to every little last pack. So, and then we always hang our little...
Well, it goes in the shower after we get there.
Yeah, absolutely. We kind of unpack everything when we get there, so we settle in. Awesome. So, can't wait to start packing this.
Sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
So, as you guys can see, all of that fit in here with room to spare. I'm super excited about my new toiletry bag. Never used it fully on a trip before, but I will let y'all know when I get back how it did for us, but so far I'm impressed.
So that is going to wrap this video. We are going to probably do one for our travel pharmacy here, so subscribe and watch our future videos. And
comment if you take anything that I didn't pack, or if I've forgotten anything, please let me know, because this will probably stay this packed until we go, so let me know.
All right. And thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and check us out and check out our other videos.